Hi. So tonight I am preparing stuffed chicken. So there's about oh, 3 steps to making this. So come along with me while I show you how. So what we're gonna need is 4 to 5 breasts of chicken, a mixture of cheese, whatever you like. I have cheddar, Parmesan, Swiss, and mozzarella. And then you'll have a meat that you'll place in there. I usually put in capicola or salami. Today I have pepperoni and salami. Hey, whatever you want. As long as it gives that saltiness to the stuffed chicken, delicious. Diced red peppers, some green onions, and I'm gonna actually add some red onion to this mixture. All right. All right, so everyone in the pool, my green onions, and the cheese, along with my red peppers. And some green onions. There's something about green onions that just make everything taste so good. And of course, some salt. Not too much. There's enough salt in that cheese. And black pepper. We like our pepper. Our pepperoni. And my salami and my 3 thickly sliced mozzarella, I'm going to actually place into the chicken myself. I usually also add some garlic, some olive oil. It depends if you want to keep the oil out of this. That's fine as well. I'm going to go for some garlic oil actually. Place it in there. And mix. Mix it up. And that is your mixture to the stuffed chicken. So good. All right. So when it comes to the chicken, what I like to do is I slice a pocket into the fat part of the chicken. So let me show you that. All right, so you're gonna take the chicken, fat part, you're gonna put your knife into this part of the chicken and make sure not to go through to the bottom and make a pocket. Then you'll gauge and see. It goes all the way down so that you can put all that stuff in there. And you'll do the same thing to each of the breasts. Slit, and then you'll put in the stuffing. Easy enough. There we go. So, once you have that done, you're gonna get a metal pan and start stuffing your chicken with all the goodies inside. I lay down the mozzarella right at the bottom of it first. And I push it on into there. And that way, no matter what, every bite is going to have some mozzarella at least. 1, 2, and 3. And And then you're gonna take the stuffing and you're gonna place it in there. I'm gonna wash my hands. Sorry guys, I'm off camera. I'm alone videotaping today. All right. And let me take you and turn you. And there we go. And we're gonna take the stuffing. Take the stuffing and place it into the pockets of chicken. You can get it messy. What I like to do is I place the chicken over here and all the extra bits that drop from the stuffing or from stuffing the chicken goes into the pan. So I'm gonna put it over here, take the stuffing, and I'm gonna place it in. And of course, because I'm holding the camera, it's gonna get messy. So I will go ahead, stuff these chickens, and when we get back, and I'll show you the finished product of them stuffed, and I'll show you the sauce that I will place over it. Wow. Look at these. So what I do is whatever leftover I have of stuffing, I just throw it in the pan. Throw it in the pan. You'll make a sauce. It'll go over it. All those yummy tastes are going to get into that sauce and it will be delicious. So the sauce is really simple. We're going to make a roux. What's a roux? It's 2 tablespoons. Actually, I'm going to make 1. 1 tablespoon of butter. Boop. I'm going to melt that. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. All right. So let's melt this butter. Because anything with butter is better. All right. Once that butter is melted, you're going to take that 1 tablespoon of flour and you're going to put it in there. Let's get that ready. So 1 tablespoon of flour. Basically equal parts fat to flour. And what this is going to do is when I add my 1 cup of cream, it is going to thicken that cream instead of having a watery mess. So, boom. And a roux is going to be made right here. Once the roux is made, we're going to heat up that cream for like 30 seconds in the microwave so that there's no lumps in the roux. And you're going to pour it in the roux. It's going to get thick. And we're going to put that on the chicken. So, this is a roux. You don't want to burn it, so you keep stirring. You can have a dark roux or a light roux. I'm making a light roux. All right. And with that, we're going to add that cream. Let's put that cream in. And once again, we're going to start stirring. Start stirring till you see bubbles. And then you're going to turn down the heat. Turn down the heat and you're gonna add salt, pepper, and I'm gonna put about a 1/3 cup of Parmesan and Swiss in here. You know, keeping it healthy. All right. Keeping it healthy. And you can see that it's thicker now. I'm going to be putting down that heat. And I'm going to be adding all of the cheese in. Let's go get that salt and pepper. Pepper. Stove. Oh yeah. That cheese is going to melt into it. And it's basically a bechamel sauce that we're making. And then off the heat. Boom. I'm going to let that cool because I'm not going to be cooking my chicken right away. So once I do decide to put it in the oven, I will show you basically me pouring it over that chicken. And I will add 1 more cup of cream, just because we like to have a lot of cream sauce. This will thicken that cream sauce. So that's all you'll need. All right, beautiful people. So it's time to get this baby in the oven. I don't know why I didn't do that before. So I'm going to pour my sauce over the chicken. Pour it over. All right. I don't want to drown it though. So I will keep some of this sauce to the side. And these babies will go into the oven at 375 preheated for about 40 minutes. All right. Let's cover them up. Yep, so 45 minutes, 375, and they'll be done. All right, 45 minutes is done. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh yeah, it's all bubbled up. Oh my goodness, the grease from the stuffing is good. All right. Okay, so let's serve this up. All right. Now, but I'll get my fork. I'll put it up here. Onto the plate. Put some dress on there. And when you cut into it, you will find a beautiful center stuffing. Oh yeah, all the good stuff. And there we have it. My creamed stuffed chicken. Please try it. Let us know how you like it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all have a great day. Bye.